Hello and welcome! In this Coursepath tutorial, you will learn everything about the different reporting options of the e-learning platform and how to use them. The Reports menu offers a variety of reports such as graphical or tabular overviews, and it is just a few clicks away. The easiest two options for viewing the learning progress are the activity feed and the statistics. The activity feed lists all new activities of the course. Among other things, you can see when participants completed steps, questions, or the complete course. The statistics page provides you with a graphical overview of course data. Learning progress as well as results of participants are represented here. In addition, time and number of various course activities can be examined. The map provides you with details on the countries from which the course is being accessed. These statistics can be filtered by user groups, which allows you to see exactly the data you are looking for. Tabular reports of the course can be found in Reports and Exports. The option Reports gives out detailed information about progress and results in your course. The 5 categories show information regarding course performance, participant performance, module performance, step performance, and course traffic. The blue info box in the middle shows which information the chosen option provides. Choose different filters in the menu on the left to get a custom data selection. Filters can also be combined. The reports compiled this way can be downloaded as Excel files and thus be archived or forwarded. Please note that all reporting options presented here can only be accessed by members who hold a trainer, auditor, or manager role. Finally, the export page offers ready-made reports which contain very detailed information. The option Results by Member provides an Excel file which contains a sheet for each course participant and their course progress. With Results by Step, the sheets are sorted by learning steps instead of members. The Participants document lists all course participants and gives additional information like email address or organization. Similarly, the All Members Excel file lists all members of the Academy regardless of the courses they are registered for. This option is only available for entitled users. Someone who's just trainer in a course does not see this option. So much for reporting within a course. Let's now take a look at the reports on Academy level. You can access the Academy level reporting by clicking Reports on the Academy's homepage. You are directly presented with the reports for all courses of the Academy. Again, you can select filters to choose specific data. As you can see, if your Academy contains a lot of members and courses, the reporting can be quite extensive. But with the different filter options provided, you can arrange the data just as needed. This way, you can get detailed insight in progress and effectiveness of your courses.